these migratory birds are arriving in our wetlands, they usually come from the Central Asia, China, Siberia, from the southern parts of the Europe during winter months. They usually arrive in the valley wetlands right from the month of September, and they stayed here till the second week of April. And from 15th of February onwards, they start their usual outward migration from the valley wetlands. We are receiving other migratory birds who are well termed as passage birds. They stay here for 10-15 days or usually for 1 month, and afterwards they are going back to their parent destinations. And we are also receiving summer migratory birds who come here for breeding during summer months. And with the onset of the winter, they are usually going back to their parent destinations.